focusing. Okay, these are the nails that I got done. Yeah, so they're marble. And they are skinny squares. And I love them. They are so cute. What did you say? I love Melissa. You like Melissa? Melissa's wardrobe? I don't think so. Your hands are nasty. Aisha's plate. She said that it's not enough for her, so she's gonna order another main.
Well, it's not.
I thought you guys should know that this is the real Aisha. Oh, whatever you see on her Instagram or Snapchat isn't all that she ate. She's a fraud.
Stupid. Shut up. Does that look like that?
Look how big it is.
That's so
no, well, I don't know what you're talking. I don't know what you're talking about.
That thing from That's So Raven.
Look how big it is.
You're not gonna finish that.
Yes, I am. Challenge like accepted.
Models like me eating this, or then you see these.
No, but you're the same one that wanted a pizza. Guys, look how big it is.
Oh my god.
Anyway, bon appetit.
Andrea.
Bon appetit.
I couldn't finish it, so I'm getting the rest as takeaway. Huh?
I haven't finished it. Sorry. They're gonna start a hate campaign.
We're gonna start a petition. Get Aisha off this channel. I'll leave a link for it down below. Hi guys, it's me again. It's very, very hot. Didn't expect it to be this hot. I don't like it. It's disgusting. Anyway, when I get indoors, I'll show you my lashes, and I'm not gonna have them out. But I'm with Harriet. Hi guys. Why did you say hi like that? Why are you upset?
It's too hot.
No, it's ridiculously hot.
It's 45 degrees.
Hello.
You lucky, you look cute.
Thank you.
And I'll kiss you on your little pearl. I know you like that, baby. Yeah, you like that, baby. I know I can make you. I think she's fine.
DJ, what happened now?
The car turned off.
Hey, no, so you gotta get this. Maybe you're gonna like it.
Yes.
Don't lie.
No,
Okay. Holy Spirit.
Shut up.
You're bad vibes, you know.
Are we in church?
Daughter of Zion. Holy Spirit.
Hi guys. So, I've been so bad at vlogging. I didn't even vlog yesterday properly. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to brush my hair and lose like the curls. Let me brush a bit of it. Okay. You know, sometimes when you brush your curls out and like they just look dead. But I've been so bad at vlogging, guys, so bad. I'm going to dinner with Victoria right now. I'm waiting for her. I'm so glad I brought this blazer with me. It doesn't really go with my outfit, but it is raining and pouring outside, so I'm so happy I brought this blazer. I'm just waiting for her. I'm at Locum. Oh, I drive in trainers. What was I even saying? Yes, sorry, I drive in trainers. I'm waiting for Victoria. I'm in the car park. Yeah, so I decided just to catch you guys up on what's been happening for the past 2 days, because I am very rubbish at vlogging it, and I know when I get in there I am not going to vlog properly because I'm going to be too excited seeing my BFF. I haven't seen her in ages. It's actually disgusting how long I haven't seen her. I think the last time I saw her in person was March. I was even meant to say yesterday I went to a restaurant with Naomi and Harriet. Normally their full menu is lush, but they had an eat out help out menu which wasn't that great, to be completely honest. I've been talking for way too long. I don't normally do these one-to-one talks. This isn't me. I'm gonna go back to giggling behind the camera because that's the true me. Guys, this is Victoria.
Her first ever friend. Okay?
Literally, my
I know you never
first
seen
friend.
me, but I'm the original. So we're on our date.
She's finally,
Date of 2020.
I know, it's actually crazy. I haven't seen her since March, guys. Since March. Actually no, I vlogged your birthday. They have seen you, yeah. Well, we've seen her for like 5 seconds.
Yeah. Have you seen your poster?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
You didn't send it.
Guys, she hasn't watched my vlog. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. Be your own friends. The mains are here. I got some fish and Victoria got a mixed grill. Is it mixed grill? Yeah. And got a side of chips.
Very Turkish tonight.
Yes. I had pizza yesterday. So I had pizza yesterday, and I thought I should have something a little bit healthier.
Some good content and they're recorded. Hi guys.
This
And
is Jade, guys.
this is Jadisol. Sorry. I'm Nigerian. Durr.
This is Jade.
It's Jadisol. It's Jadisol. So today we're recording some content for Andrea. Oh my god. This is so awkward. It's so big, but yeah. Well, you can't see me. I have to face the sunlight. Skin goals. So I've taken pictures for Andrea. You know what, guys? Andrea, out of my influencer friends, is the worst person to ever take pictures for because she's doing ew as you're.
I don't even take as long as I used to.
As you're taking, yeah, she's actually been good because before like this, I get so pissed off. I'll be like, yeah, you know what? Fuck off. I don't think you're allowed to curse on the channel. Sorry.
No.
Why? Everyone's grown. I'm a grown. Let's see some pictures of me, yeah.
Do you want some here?
No, of course not. Why am I posting it? I don't even have a Finsta.
Don't you? I think you should make one.
Why? I don't.
I feel like that's something that you would like.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you, like, who do you follow? Like people's ugly pictures? I don't get it. What's the Finsta? What's the?
I'll show you. Wait, is there a shop round here?
Sorry?
Is there a shop round here?
Yeah.
I think I might buy water
Okay.
and then bring that in.
Let's go. Drive.
Oh, okay. I can drive that. Ugh. Oh my god. I can't move in this jumpsuit.
Okay. Which one are we going to?
That's weird.
Okay, just a second. What are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what was it? I got it. You don't need to.
I was so hungry, guys.
I ate some of it already, so I just show you the bit that I haven't eaten.
Show my food. Show my food. I almost finished.